Okay, forget everything you've heard about waiting until after graduation to start your career. Seriously, there's a new gold rush happening, and it's not for tech billionaires, it's for students. Students who are using AI to make real money right now. We're going to break down exactly how they're doing it, and more importantly, how you can get in on this.
You heard me right. Students are earning actual money with AI. And I'm not talking about a few bucks for coffee. We're talking about real, significant income using tools that are probably already on your laptop. And this isn't some 10-year plan. This is not about getting that degree first, then grinding through internships, then maybe landing that real-world job. Nope.
This is happening right now, today, as we speak. It's a massive, immediate opportunity that is completely flipping the script for young, ambitious people.
That's why we're calling this the Student AI Gold Rush. It's not a future thing, it's a present thing. The pioneers here are students, just like you, who are moving fast, learning these new skills, and just getting way ahead of the curve.
And here's the craziest part. This whole world is flying completely under the radar. This isn't something you're going to learn in a classroom or read in a textbook. It's happening out in the real world, and it's being driven purely by skill and initiative.
And just think about how incredibly accessible this is. We're talking about students making money from their laptops sitting in their dorm rooms. There's no degree holding you back. You don't need some huge chunk of cash to get started. I mean, the barrier to entry has literally never been lower.
So let's get into the good stuff. How is this actually happening? I'm going to break down the 5 biggest and most effective ways students are getting paid in this new AI economy.
So what's the secret sauce here? How are they turning these really powerful AI tools into actual income? Well, let's dive right into the first method.
First up, we've got AI content creation. This is an absolutely massive market, and AI has just completely changed the game.
The process is almost ridiculously simple. You use AI to generate really high-quality written stuff. We're talking marketing emails, blog posts, catchy social media captions. Then you just sell that as a service on freelancing sites. The AI does all the heavy lifting, the hard work. You're the editor, the strategist, and you're the one who gets paid.
All right, method number 2, AI video and shorts. Look, we all know video is king right now, and AI is making it possible for pretty much anyone to become a creator. This one is just huge. With the AI tools we have now, you can create super compelling YouTube videos and shorts without ever touching a camera or even showing your face. The AI can write the scripts, do the voiceovers, and even generate the video clips. And you can make money from ad revenue, brand deals, or by just making videos for clients who need them.
Method number 3 is a little more specialized, but man, is it valuable. We're talking about AI prompt services, or what some people call prompt engineering. So here's the deal. Tons of businesses have access to these powerful AIs, but they have no idea how to talk to them to get good results. That's a huge problem for them. And the solution? It's you. You can learn how to write these super precise, effective prompts that unlock what the AI can really do. And trust me, companies will pay top dollar for that skill. Okay, rolling on to number 4, AI automation. This one's all about making businesses run smarter, not harder. Every single small business out there is drowning in repetitive tasks. Answering the same emails over and over, generating weekly reports, handling basic customer questions. Well, students are now building simple AI automations that handle all of that. The sell is so clear. You save the business owner time, and as we all know, time is money.
And our 5th and final method for today gets into the creative side of things, AI design and images. This is perfect if you have any kind of a visual eye. Using AI image generators, students are churning out professional-level graphics. I'm talking logos, eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, you name it. And the biggest advantage here? You don't need a 4-year design degree to do it. You just need to get good at using the tool. Okay, so we've gone through the 5 big methods. Now, you're probably sitting there thinking, this is cool, but how do I actually start? Let's break it down into a super simple 4-step blueprint. Seriously, it's this straightforward. First, don't try to do everything at once. Just choose one of these skills that sounds exciting to you. Second, practice. Every single day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Third, create a few little samples of your work so you have something to show people. And finally, start small. Your first goal is just to land one client, no matter how small the project is. That's how you get the ball rolling. And I want you to remember this because it's maybe the most important part of this whole thing. AI doesn't care how old you are. It doesn't care if you have a degree or a fancy resume. It only cares about your skill and if you can get the job done.
This is a true meritocracy.
So, as we wrap this up, the message here is really clear. The future isn't about using AI to cheat on your homework. It's about using it as this incredibly powerful tool to create things and to build a career. In this new world, your skill is your currency.
The students who are gonna win in the next decade are the ones who start learning how to use these tools smartly, not to cut corners, but to build real value. The opportunity is right here, right now. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for it to show up in a class curriculum. Start today.
So that really just leaves one last critical question for you. Out of all these opportunities we talked about, which one gets you excited? Which AI skill are you going to build first?